Someone has joined. I don't love you. Thank you, but I don't. So, guys, it's been quite some time, I guess 2 weeks, since the last time I came live for you all. That was when I completed 2000 followers, and now I'm almost about 2005 something, and I'm expecting to reach 3000 by next month. But somehow, for the past 1 or 2 weeks, I'm not feeling like chasing followers or anything. I just want to concentrate on giving good content, and I'm just not getting ideas that thank you so much, thank you. Not getting ideas about as to what I should talk about. So I really request you all to um, DM me, uh, telling me what exactly you want me to cover, what content would you like to hear from me, be it draping saris or dressing up or makeup cues from me. Uh, I can be giving you, I would love to give you ideas that help me, uh, but I won't be, but I'm not sure that my ideas would help others or would suit others, because my makeup tips and all suit me. That doesn't mean that it will suit everyone, and my dressing suits me, so it doesn't mean that everyone would be happy doing the same thing that I do. But yes, I can give you tips and tricks, and mm, it would be really helpful if you would you know if you would give me some cues as to what content you would want me to cover. And otherwise, life has been really hectic, really busy actually, and I've been doing multiple shifts, multiple jobs, and it has been taking a toll on me. But yeah, I have to work. There's a lot of work that is pending at the moment, and I feel I should dedicate some time to you all, dedicate some time to this page of mine that you all follow, and um, okay, I'm just going to block this guy. He's so yeah, this person was uh, putting up really bad comments, vulgar comments, which I really don't appreciate, and that's why I blocked this guy. So please, it's a sincere request to all of you not to, you know, put up such comments which is against the uh, community standards that is followed by Instagram. Not only Instagram, but general public as a whole. So yeah, that's about me these days. All work, work, and work. I'm not able to follow my fitness regime also. So see, you can see my tummy coming out, but I just can't help it. Mm, it's really tough. I'm not able to go out also because of the COVID situation. I'm not able to go out, party, enjoy. So Fridays and Saturdays are usually the days when I try to dress up into the clothes that are put in the cupboard or the boxes. So I just take them out and wear them, have a few drinks, and just enjoy. Um, that's what I do on weekends, and Fridays and Saturdays are usually the days. Sunday, I'm completely Saturday. From Saturday evening to Sunday till Monday morning, I'm completely detoxing myself from social media, and so you won't find me, posting anything or commenting anything or replying to your messages on Sundays and Saturdays. Other days, I'm pretty much active during the day, during the evenings, and night. I just try to um, switch off my mobile and concentrate on my work and sleep off on time if possible. What else? What else can I talk? There's nothing much to talk. Just wanted to see all of. Just wanted all of you to see me once, because it's been almost about half a month, 15 days I think, since the last time I came live. And keep supporting me and keep commenting, liking my pics, and yeah, if you want to share my pics, you can do it. I have no issues with it. You can share my pics wherever you want to, and I hope you do share it for a good reason, not a bad reason. And thank you so much. Thank you for supporting me. Keep supporting me. Keep liking my posts. Keep commenting on it, and we will you'll get to see me soon, probably next week. I love how you manage time. Um, it's pretty difficult to manage time, but yeah, this is like coming live and staying in touch with hi Sonam. Staying in touch with the people who follow me is uh, is a drug to me. I would say it really cheers me up and helps me think positive. It is a sign. It is a positive sign for me, and it really helps me out. Um, and yeah, that's about it. I think um, maybe in another 15 days, I think I should be able to touch the 3,000 mark. Uh, for the past 10 days, the the pickup of followers has gone down a bit. I was usually getting about 30 to 35 followers, new followers every day, but now for the past 10 days, I've been getting around 5 to 6 followers every day. So it has suddenly drastically gone down, and I think the reason may be that I'm not coming live. I'm not coming live much, and that really, creates an issue. So yeah, I can do one thing. If you all want to see me drape a sari, you can tell me now. I can probably switch off the live, change into my blouse and petticoat, and I can show you a live video of how I drape a sari in a normal way. So if anyone wants that, you can comment, and if there are enough people, enough viewers for it, I think I'll do it. If at all I get about 6 viewers, 6 to 7 viewers, I'll do it. So if you want to see me drape a sari now, um, in 5 minutes, like I'll be closing this live, I'll be coming again, and I'll be doing it. But I'll do it only if 7 people, 7 viewers, uh, put a comment for me to do it. Okay, World of Vision, you are like your comment, your vote is only one. Like you have only one vote, so there's only one vote. 6 more to go. Let's see. I'll okay, there's the second vote by Divya. So I'll explain again. If someone wants me to drape a sari live right now, I can switch off the live and change into a petticoat and a blouse and come again and show you how I drape a sari. So if you want that, then please put yes on the comment section, and I'll go and do it. Till now, I have 2 votes. If I get 7, I'll do it. If I don't, then that's your bad luck. Probably next time. So if you want to, you look amazing, Nana. Thank you, Gunjan. So if you want me to drape a sari in front of you, then you have to comment yes, please, or whatever. Till now, I have 2 votes. If I reach 7, I will do it. Trust me, I'm not being pricey, okay? If I was being pricey, I would have told that I would have told 10 or 15, but yeah, I'm I'm a very practical person, that's why I told 7 votes. So till now, to have said yes to seeing me draping a sari on live. Lip glass. Lip glass. What what does lip glass mean? Lip glass. Is there a glass for lips? I really don't know. Hearing it for the first time. So yeah, there are 2 votes till now, and if I reach 7 votes, I'll be draping a sari for you live. So if you all want me to drape a sari in this live session, um, put on a comment saying yes, and I'll do it. I have 2 votes till now. If I reach 7, I'll do it. So yeah, till then we can talk about something. So yeah, draping a sari is like really very interesting actually. I really love draping sari, and saris are like really fun. You have lots of types of drapes that you can try. You can actually experiment a lot with saris. There are a lot of ways to drape a sari. You can mix and match with a lot of blouses, a lot of crop tops, and even shirts. You can actually mix and match it with a dress. I can wear a sari on top of this with a petticoat. So saris are very versatile attires, and I really love saris. I really love the way saris have evolved over a period of time. So yeah, I will be repeating it. If anyone wants me to drape a sari in this live video session, please please send a comment saying yes, yes please, or yes. Till now there are two comments, that is 2 people want to see me, and if I reach 7 people who want to see me uh, draping a sari, then I will go right now and drape a sari for on live. Okay, I think no one wants to see me drape a sari on live. Okay, that's fine. I was expecting like people would be. Uh, I was expecting people to jump on it and say yes, yes, go ahead, drape a sari for us and all. Okay, let me see who all are watching me at the moment. Why don't you review cosmetics? Okay, Poonam Sheikh. Okay, Divya. Hi. Okay, CD Bhargavi. Okay, so there are 3 votes. Why don't you review cosmetic products? Okay, I will review the cosmetic products that I have. So I will start with the primer. Yeah, my primer is almost done, you know. It's from Note. It's from Note. So there's a good primer. There's a mousse primer. This is skin perfecting primer. It is a pore minimizer. There are only 5 people. You can start draping with 2 votes. Okay. Okay, so okay, done. So what I'll do is I'll come back after 5 minutes and I'll drape a sari for you all. Done.